Welcome back to Theme Vision. On today's episode, we will be discussing the refurbishment of Jurassic World the Ride. Now, as you may know, Jurassic World the Ride has been down for quite a long time now, and the attraction has not reopened because the park is not reopened, obviously, so it is just sitting there ready to open to guests. Now, the attraction itself is finished. All the refurbishment work they wanted to do is finished. What this refurbishment work includes is an all-new Indominus Rex animatronic in the upper level of the attraction, as well as the original Indominus Rex animatronic being moved to Predator Cove in order to scare guests away with possibly a mist effect, a steam, smoke, mist effect that will hopefully scare guests and knock their socks off. On top of this, we have a gyrosphere and also the added compies back to Predator Cove. As you may remember from Jurassic Park River Adventure, the compies were originally fighting over a popcorn bucket. This time around, they will be fighting over a tourist's blue hat next to the gyrosphere set piece. Now, to get an idea of how this new Indominus Rex animatronic moves, I'm going to put two videos up here on the screen in front of you. Now, as you can see, this T-Rex video was passed around quite a while ago. People were pretty amazed by this, and this specific animatronic was built by Creature Technology. Now, Creature Technology is an Australian-based audio animatronics company who builds animatronic characters and creatures for various theme parks, museums, events, etc. Now, they didn't use the original manufacturers for the animatronics from Jurassic Park River Adventure because the company that made them, Sarcos, is not exactly in business anymore, or rather I should say they are not doing the same work they used to do. So because of this, they hired Creature Technology to do pretty much all the work for any animatronics in the new attraction, and I am sure that they worked on this new Indominus Rex animatronic, and by this video I'm showing you on the screen, you can probably tell that this new animatronic will be pretty amazing. Now, this other footage I'm going to show you is of a show that was put on a few years ago, a Jurassic World exhibit that featured many audio animatronic figures in the exhibit itself. Now, they had a Indominus Rex animatronic on display, and that is what I'm showing you here. Now, what you can expect this new figure to look like, it will look essentially like this figure, so it will have an upper body tilt, as in it will be looking like it's ready to pounce on you. It will be almost looking like it's ready to pounce. It won't pounce on you. That's not part of the programming. But what it'll do is it will walk out of the bushes and you'll see it, and it will be kind of on its hind legs. I don't know how to explain that to you, but if that makes sense to you, its body will be slightly tilted up and it will be walking towards you, and it will walk towards the T-Rex, and let me tell you, this new figure will get very close to the T-Rex. I also want to mention that this audio animatronics figure will have massive claws, with claw movement as well. You can expect to see this on the ride when it reopens. Please take my word for it, because I know for sure, and I have seen multiple footages of this new Indominus Rex, and I can tell you it is amazing. I cannot show you here because legally it is not allowed, but you can expect these changes to be present within the attraction once it reopens. So, look forward. I hope you look forward to these changes to Jurassic World the Ride. This is going to do it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, and I will see you all on the flip side.